Hi, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're looking at a beautiful 1939 Lincoln Zephyr replica. Gorgeous, gorgeous build here, guys. We're doing this video for you today so you can make a great decision on your muscle car street rod investment. Please go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com and check out our video feedback, testimonials, and also our eBay feedback. Come on up, let's take a look at this beautiful rod. Under the hood of this beautiful rod, we have a wonderful 350 motor, 4-barrel carburation. We have the air conditioning, ceramic coated headers, power steering. Boy, is this thing fun to drive, and tell me about the looks you get. We're going to drop the hood, look at the paint, and check out the rest of the car. Beautiful paint, silver and teal. Got a couple little scratches, chips here and there. It's sitting on 4 airbags, one in every corner. You got centerline, beautiful wheels on it, electric door poppers, rear backup camera. It's hooked up to a 350 trans and an 8-inch Ford rear end. You can check out the website for more pictures as well. Just a beautiful custom job here, guys. Probably cost you $80,000 to build something like this. There's a trunk release inside. You got your battery and your air ride technology. HEI ignition back here for all 4 corners. This is the rear backup camera mounted up there. You really need that because it's hard to see out of from inside. Beautiful build. No expenses spared. Door poppers pop every time. Look at that. Real cool car here, guys. Talk about snapping necks when you're driving by, because everybody's going to be looking. Sitting on a Fat Man frame, and it is so fun to drive. When was the last time you did this and it opened? Woo, look at that. Too cool. You got custom interior, dolphin gauges. You got your power windows, your AM FM CD. You got a pretty cool horn in there. I'll do that in a little bit here. And you got storage behind the seats too, where they mounted the speakers. Pretty sweet, sweet ride. Zephyr. I gotta say, it's my first ride in a 39 Zephyr. Pretty sweet machine here. You got all the modern day amenities and lots of fun to drive, guys, let me tell you. And talk about every head that sees you just spinning to see what the heck you're driving, because this thing just looks like money. It's got everything you can imagine, from air ride to suspension to air conditioning to AM FM CD. Just a sweet, sweet, fun driving car If you have any questions about this beautiful machine, you can give me a call. My name is Tom Fotios, and I can be reached 7 days a week at 248-974-9513. We would love to help you put your dream in your driveway. And by the way, please go to VanguardMotorsales.com and become social subscribers on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, so you can see cool cars like this before they're even offered to the public. And also, if you're buying a classic car, go to ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com and download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. Once again, my name is Tom Fotios. Thanks for joining us today. And remember, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dreams in your driveway.